That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira te tū, kia Whanganui te tū.
And hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
E te iwi nau mai haere mai ki tēnei papahotanga whakaata Māori, ka mihi ki ngā maunga, ngā wai, me ngā ahika o tēnei rohe. Tēnā rā koutou katoa. Kia ngā kai whakahaere, me ngā kai whakataetai, he mihi mahana, hoki. Feilding High School versus St. Peter's School, Cambridge. I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our sponsors and supporters. First, a big thank you to Whakaata Māori for providing the platform. With Te Reo Māori and strengthening its presence in events. A huge thank you as well to our sponsors Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Lativa, Apollo Projects and Anchor, whose sponsorship enables us to share this event with you and your whānau and for backing the growth of sport and community initiatives across Aotearoa. Now whānau, let's have a look at our team list for St. Peter's School, Cambridge. At the number 1, Ollie Harvey. Number 2, Shaq Zammit. Number 3, Joshua Aukuso. Number 4, Ollie Johnstone. Number 5, Ollie Barnes, captain. Number 6, Mitchell De Luca Oliveira. Number 7, George Edwards Heaney. 8, Kobe Trey Ross. 9, Luca Morrison. Number 10, Luca Miller. Number 11, Zeke Clark. Number 12, Waylon Paki. 13, Cruz Mara. Number 14, Matai Kiri Jack. 15, Jack Calcino. 16, James Powell. Number 17, Cooper Moore. Number 18, Cameron Moores. Number 19, Kobe Bell. 20, Joe Lang. 21, Brandon Parker. 22, Luke Galloway. That's St. Peter's School from Cambridge whānau. Me titiro tātou ki ngā tērā kura Feilding High School. Number 1, Alex Brozanan. Number 2, Lucas Goodman. Number 3, Te Vita Whakawa. Number 4, Lockie Hawker. Number 5, Dante Brown. Number 6, Ben Copsey. Number 7, Austin Tunnicliffe. 8, Taine Anapu Burke. Number 9, Joe Beezer. Number 10, Tuharakia Wallace McLeod. Number 11, Jack Nagel. Number 12, Ali Ferretti Raka. Number 13, Andre Dickinson. Number 14, Betaya Kuriabaki. Number 15, Emosi Bukago. 16, Elias Ayer. Number 17, Kingston Ngata. Number 18, Alex Wren. Number 19, Formai Viliamu. Number 20, Iosua Tyrell. Number 20, Vito Malaisila, pardon me. Ko tērā tō tātou o tātou kai tākaro I te rā nei mō Feilding High School, rāwa ko St. Peter's High School. Nā reira, kari I te rā, kari pare whiti mai te rā I te rā nei, engari, ka tākaro tonu tātou I te rā nei, nā reira, kia mautoni mai whānau a wawe nei ka timata tō tātou ki emu I Whanganui, e nei kapa e rua ko Feilding High School, rāwa ko St. Peter's whānau. Hale mai ngā tīma I nāi nei. St. Peter's Rawa for Feilding. Te pata tātou I ngā haka. Ka pai te whanau doesn't get you ready for a good game today. I don't know what will Feilding High School and same two amazing hakas there from Ine Kura Eorua. We'll see how this one starts. Both teams were looking to get off to an early start. We've seen a lot of amazing starts this season. Amazing starts, but other teams being able to make that comeback makes for a great story, makes for a great game. Nā reira kia mau whānau. That is St. Peter's in the light blue. Monga kai mātakitaki I te rānei. Underway here, whānau. Strong tackle there by Feilding. Nice pass out the back there, St. Peter's. Nice ball movement here by Hato Peta. Good early pressure here from Feilding. Not making it easy so far. Nice push-off tackle there by St. Peter's. Moving them out and got into touch. Beautiful mahi there by Feilding. Good early energy here. Line out here for St. Peter's. Stolen there by Feilding. Look for the big boot. Boot over the top there by Feilding. But out on the full. Feilding will get it back here. Get the pai, ka haere tonu e homa. Second line out, knocked out of their hands there by Feilding. Big boot over the top. To get out on the full, ke te pai e hoa ka haere tonu. Another line out here for St. Peter's. They get it this time. Beautiful mahi here by St. Peter's. Nice ball movement. Strong pressure. Found that hole in the defence. Good mahi here by St. Peter's. Can he make it to the try line? Beautiful mahi here. St. Peter's very early on here. Pick up their first try in the opening minutes. What a way to start the game. Minutes. We'll see if we can't turn that 5 into a 7. St. Peter's on the scorecard early on. Just finding those gaps in the defence and able to get to the try line. Beautiful mahi here by St. Peter's. Try to check a bit to the middle. Fielding. Spawn. Did this guard earlier. Chip over the top. Up in this ball. Building on the scorecard, the bus beautiful. He there by Feilding. Really even contest so far, 7-7. Just under 9 minutes to go. 9 minutes past, rather. Neither side willing to give an inch. St. Peter's with it. Can we get the line out? Taps it into his player's hands. Beautiful mahi there by St. Peter's. Put up a slip. Gets back to Haere Tonu Hua. Good job to get the ball over to the right. Big boot now. Picked up by Feilding. Number 11. Strong tackle there through the middle by Feilding. Great ball movement here by Feilding High School. Nice ball movement and a big boot over the top. Beautiful kick there. Picked up by St. Peter's. Again, not the best conditions for a game of rugby, but both teams did a good job. Not too much slipping. Still moving the ball very well. Should be another big boot here. Good job. Nice job to pick the ball up again. Not easy in these slippery conditions. Kicked again. A lot of kicking early on. Both teams trying to win that battle and get to that position where they can get to this try line. Beautiful mahi here by St. Peter's, just pushing, fielding though. Not making it easy. Yeah, first scrum of the afternoon, we get to see physically dominant team. Hara ke te pai, ka haere tonu. Gage, breakdown of the scrum, get the bike, tap and go. Billy straight onto it. And catch St. Peter's off guard, but St. Peter's got a good defense to do May there. Ngari Hara, get the bike, tonu. Kick careful fielding. A good position now. Again, both teams did a good job to build that pressure. 7-7 now. Both teams, again, plenty of patience being shown here. Very impressive, these rangatahi today. Again, not rushing, not forcing, being very patient, playing beautifully in these slippery, wet conditions. Minutes, just under 50 on the score. It's 12-7, St. Peter's. Finding those gaps in defence, we'll see if we can't turn that 12 into a 14. Beautiful mahi here early on by both of these teams. St. Peter's taking the lead. Beautiful mahi. 398. ki te nei rangatahi e tāko pēnei I te rā nei ki te āta haere rātou ki te titaro rātou, rātou hoa. Tude, picked up by Feilding. Tricky pass, but still did a good job to St. Peter's. St. Peter's very close to the try line now. There's the opportunity to put some points in between them and Feilding. Very close now. Referee says they got a beautiful mahi there on through by St. Peter's. And they'll go up 90-7. Karawita mahi. Right attack. Beautiful mahi there by St. Peter's. The menaka turi here. Te tera tekau mā iwa ki te ro tekau mā tahi. This time. He's with it.
So it was Brandon 21.
Strong scrum there by Feilding. Pushing through. Good opportunity here for them to respond. Chance for Feilding here to regroup just a little bit, put that pressure back onto St. Peter's defence. And a chance to get back on the front foot. Strong scrum here by Feilding. Again, doing very well in the scrums today, as we just saw. Feilding very, very close to the try line now. E tatarawa rātou I nai nei, ki te pana, ki te tatarawa. There you go. The scrum here, Feilding has been doing amazing on the scrums this afternoon / this morning. Feilding happy about that. Opportunity to respond. Picked up by Feilding, good mahi here. Again,
Feilding doing amazing in the scrums this afternoon. Pushing and pushing. Very close now to the skyline, and they get it down. Beautiful mahi here, Feilding. Spondy, still up 12-19. Receive count to 12-14. Tātou. Mene ka taia rātou te huri tira tuku MΑORI ki te tūmara whāna rea. Tūni mai whāna. Very close game this afternoon, 12-19. At the 27-minute mark of this first half, I know. It was a very competitive game. Yeah, Feilding doing amazing in the scrums, really physical, not afraid to take those big tackles. Off to the left, it's by what the Haere Tonu. Once here for Feilding, with getting up for Feilding. Put it over the top. And there by St. Peter's. Line on here for Feilding. In the final 10 minutes, Mahi there. Running head first into the defence, you love to see it. But you were to Komarua, Tatarawa Tēnei, Kemu, Feilding do a good job to stay in the ruck. Both sides sitting into a good rhythm here in this first half. Skoma iwa te Komarua. Been a fantastic game so far. Big boot over the top there by Feilding. Picked up by St. Peter's again. Not easy to do in this wet and windy weather.
just trying to run around the defense, but Feilding right there, ready to take him down. Mehehara, Feilding will get the ball back here. Again, in their half of the field. It's an opportunity here for them to maybe level things up before we head off for half time. Again, the intensity starting to lift as we get closer to half time. Neither side wants to go into the sheds down. Both sides are going to be looking to finish strongly. This is when their composure becomes really important. Feilding here with the line out. Again, Feilding doing a good job to steal those line out from St. Peter's. But St. Peter's get this one. Knock on. But it'll be a scrum. St. Peter's. Turitiko mā rua ngā miniti ko pahi e nai nei. Tukau mai iwa ki te tukau mā rua. Breakdown of the scrum, but picked up by St. Peter's. Be a big boot over the top. Kick returned. Picked up by St. Peter's and returned again. Again, kicking game. Be very important, but kicked out on the full. Should be a line out here for Feilding. Defense has been outstanding from both sides so far. Again, that kicking game coming in super important. Want to maintain that territory. In prime position now. Very close to being pushed out, but no, it's maintaining with it. Oh my gosh, indeed. Bodies on top of bodies, very close now. Ref hasn't called it.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whai take aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Hey, sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nau mai hoki bai whānau ki te wahanga tuarua o tēnei Keria Whanganui I St. Peter's XV Feilding High School. Karawhi ki te kite a tātou koutou I te rānei. Mātakitaki mai I tēnei Keria Whanganui I nei kapa e rua. I nei rakatahi. It's been a close game so far, very strong start by St. Peter's, but Feilding's very physically. Not the greatest conditions for the game. Ke te heke mai te ua I te rānei. As you get ready to start the second half.
First scrum of the second half. Yeah, both teams had a good chance at half time. Regroup a little. Now, those teams put those plans into action as building scrum here. Good job, great tackle there by St. Peter's, moving the ball around. Prime opportunity now for fielding. The hands. Knock on. Says the ref, kei te pai hoa ka haere tonu. Again. It's going to take the kick. Fielding an opportunity to go up 15 to 21. Mahi there to go marima to the root of Matai 9-8. 21 minutes in 9-8. 3 minutes now gone by in the second half. 15 to 21, still anyone's game, just one versus try. Bit of a chip kick-off there for St. Peter's. Good job to pick the ball up in this wet and windy weather. Beautiful maze there by St. Peter's. Strong tackle through the defence. Good job to get the ball in the ruck out to his opening player. Beautiful mahi here by St. Peter's, making a lot of territory now. Great endurance here by St. Peter's. That pressure. He had it. Yeah. St. Peter's hit the ball.
Nā mai ua tēnei mō Hatopita. Third scrum of the second half. Again, Feilding doing a great job in the scrums this afternoon. Just very physical. Me hara ki te pai hoa ka haere tonu. It's good scrum here by St. Peter's. Moving the ball around quickly. Good opportunity here for St. Peter's. Ki te neke rātou I tērā pōro. Tatarau atu rātou I nai nei. O tā St. Peter's. Looking for that hole in the gap. Finds that beautiful mahi. Gets the try. St. Peter's go up 26-15 in that first 10 of the second half. Beautiful mahi there, just looking for those gaps in the defence. Finds it and slides on through. Beautiful mahi, textbook mahi there by St. Peter's. We can't turn that 26. So te tini te rā rotika ma ono, ki te rotika ma waru, kia mau tonu mai. Number 15 for St. Peter's. Again, Feilding trying to charge down that kick. It's a good attempt and a good way to put pressure on the kicker, but not successful that time. 26-15. Rutukai mau waru tiki te tukau Māori mai nai nei. Picked up by St. Peter's. Good job to keep the ball in hand. Nice recovery there by St. Peter's. Strong tackles here by Feilding. Good kick over the top. Good job to keep it in play. Me he hara, he te pai hoa ka haere tonu. Feilding now with a kick and the opportunity to make up some of that territory. Line out here for Feilding. Tai tautu te kite ka te heke mai te ua I te rā nei. Good tackle there by Feilding. Slipped through their hands, picked up by St. Peter's. Amazing job here by St. Peter's, just looking for those opportunities, finding them. He's capitalising on some of those errors. Bit of a chip and chase here, but picked up by Feilding, just straight onto it. Ooh, fast run here by Feilding.
Building with it. Building in the prime position now to respond very close to their try line. Against the final 30 minutes now. So we played 15 to 28. Now it's time for both teams to put their intensity. Still plenty of time for both to mark up this game. Kia tata mina kataya Feilding te pui te raro te kau ki te roka maroa. To the right, player walk behind it, to the MΑORI. A field goal and a converted try between these two teams now. It's a strong, intense start. Both teams playing patiently though, but they're going to look to lift the intensity here as we head into the final 25. St. Peter's did an amazing job there to pick it up. Engari, knock on, says the ref, ke te pae hoa ka haere tonu, Feilding will get it back. From now on, every meter's going to count. As we head into the final 25 of what's been a very intense and physical game between these two great schools. A lot of credit to all of these young men today, putting their bodies on the line. High kick over the top. Contest for the ball, but knocked up in the air. Yep, referee calls it. Be a penalty here. Good job by the ref to call that one. And a prime opportunity here for St. Peter's to put some distance between them and Feilding. Deep into their territory now. Line out picked up by St. Peter's. Beautiful mahi there. Really building now. Feilding will need to hold on. Being pushed very, very, very close to their try line now. Kara ke te pae hoa ka haere tonu. Feilding will get it now. Its ref calls for a scrum. A forced scrum of the second half. Feilding doing an amazing job in the scrums this. But St. Peter's in the lead now, 20, but still with anybody's game, still a lot of rugby left. 23 minutes. Just 3 minutes to go, Barno. Te hika mai te ue I te rā nei. Nā re kaore I te māma. Te ngābari rā nei ki te takaru I tēnei ke mu pēnei. Kam ke te pai hoa ka haere tonu. Tap and go here for Feilding. Kick rather. It's a defiant still anyone's game. It's 8 points separating two sides. These wet and these conditions making things of teams. Strong runs here by Feilding. Trying to crush through the defence in Garihara. Kick here for Feilding. Again, putting them in prime position to score. It's going to take a lot of patience and composure when that discipline comes into effect as we head into the final 20. Again, 20 to 28. Still anyone's game. Picked up by Feilding, good job there. Moving that ball around nicely. Strong tackle through the middle. Trying to make a run for it from the wing. But St. Peter's right there on the defence. Good opportunity here for Feilding. I'd say Peter straight on their defence. Very good run here. Very close now, Feilding. Feilding doing a good job to move their ball around, but St. Peter's just relentless on the defence. Just a wall right now. Endurance of Feilding, incredible. Just phase after phase after phase. Feilding just still going. St. Peter's finding it very difficult to get off the Feilding, rather finding it really difficult to get off this line as St. Peter's just a wall of defence. Strategy by Feilding to just wear St. Peter's down though. However, I have a feeling that St. Peter's defence is just coming in clutch here as we head into the final 20. Big tackle there by St. Possible shoulder charge, ke te pai e hoa ka haere tonu, mahi e nei hara i e taiwa, ke te pai. Red card here for St. Peter's. Disappointing. There's 8 points separating these two teams. Building the position now. Try to lift things up. Plenty of time to escape around. But St. Peter's, again, just a brick wall of defence. Those conditions making things challenging for both teams. Fielding very, very close now to their try line. Eddie to see. Not quite, but it'll be a kick here. And Fielding will get another go. Every metre is going to count from here on out. Just under 20 to go. Both teams digging really deep now. St. Peter's dug deep. What's that like? 10 minutes straight, just a brick wall of defence, but Fielding now in prime position to score that try and turn things around. They're obviously 28, 25, 15 to go. Whatever this game, this is where is going to come in clutch for both sides now. Again, conditions not amazing for rugby, making it difficult for both sides. But you can feel the intensity lifting here as we head into the final stages of what's been a very physical game. St. Peter's doing amazing on the defence, finding those defensive holes and just slipping through and getting their tries. But Feilding, just the tenacity, the mana of these rangatahis, incredible today. Slip through their hands, might be a knock-on, but not called. Ke te pai a waka, haere tonu, very close to the St. Peter's try line now. Advantage his ref. Again, Feilding will want to make some meters. A try here could really change the complexion of this game. Next few minutes could be crucial, particularly for St. Peter's. Could be difference between winning and losing these next few minutes. And the outcome of the scrum as we go on. St. Peter's get it. Beautiful mahi. Finds that little gap. Gets it over. Gets it over. St. Peter's 33. Ka kite a tātai mena ka taia rātou te huri. Sorry. A hara. A penalty rather. Was Feilding. Excellent defensive effort by Feilding. Picked up nicely. Good job to get away on the defense, looking for that open player. Couldn't find him, but a great run nonetheless. Feilding still with it. Just try to crush through the defense. Good ball movement here. Plenty of determination by Feilding. Again, down by 3. Have been down majority of the game, but still very close. Can they make a clutch run here as we head into the final 10? Feilding did a great job to move that ball around, looking for those holes in the defense. St. Peter's, though, that brick wall of defense. Gamihi ki nei rakatai. Strong tackle there. Just a bit of a bunt by Feilding towards St. Peter's. Again, Feilding making up some great territory here, making some meters. Mehe hara. Mehe hara, ka whiwhia hato pita I te poro I nāne. Clutch moment there for St. Peter's. Again, Feilding managed to find some valuable territory there. But St. Peter's coming in clutch. They'll get a line out here. Now's the time to really put on that pressure. St. Peter's with a big pass, kicked over the top. Picked up by Feilding, almost knocked out. Good job to keep it in the book and play. Feilding have a lower territory to cover. Again, Rutakama Wari ki te Rutakama wha, te kaunga miti ki te toi, still anybody's game. Looking for a big boot over the top, finds it. Picked up by St. Peter's. Good opportunity here for St. Peter's to put in the final blow, possibly. Strong tackle there by Feilding though. Again, those wet and windy conditions making it slippery. St. Peter's finding that gap, looking for his open player, finds him. And a strong carry there. Just bodies on top of bodies. St. Peter's very close to the goal line. Coming up on the final 8, what's been a very physical game. Feilding will kick it. St. Peter's with it, nice catch there by St. Peter's. Looking for those holes, great run there of St. Peter's as the sun starts to come out. Cut the legs down, beautiful made there by Feilding. St. Peter's moving that ball around, trying to find those holes. This game, but still a lot of rugby left in this one. E whatunga manisi ki te toi. Strong run here by Feilding. Just making it past the defenders. A beautiful mate looking for his open player. Can he find him or can he make the run? Beautiful mate here by Feilding as all the players come in and celebrate. Beautiful job there by Feilding over the trial line, 28-30. We'll see if we can't turn that 30 into a 32. Again, Feilding down the majority of the game, and in the final 5 minutes able to make that comeback, but can they hold on to it still? St. Peter's have an opportunity here, so let's not count them out. But a beautiful try there, able to get away. Two-point difference, we'll see if we can't make it 4. Kauri tēne wā ke te pai hoa mā ka haere tonu. You see the players praying, just so proud of what they're able to do here. You'd love to see it. Ko te poriporaki mo te rā, te kiti. Ngā rānei, you should be very proud. No reira, o te wā mātou I mahi I tēnei rā ki ngā kaiwhakahaere me ngā kia haumaru te haere. Tēnā koutou katoa, o tūhura mai ki tēnei hōtaka noho ora mai. Rotakau MΑORI ki te toru te kau, Feilding High School, St. Peter's. Ngā mia ki nei kore e roa, rotakau waru ki te toru te kau. Kia mautone mai ki te whakaata Māori, mō ngā toenga o ngā kemu I te rā nei. Ngā mihi whānau.